the UTSA Roadrunners' last home game here at the Alamo Dome will be happening today. I'm not going, but I am coming for the Birds Gang tailgate. These guys come out every single week, and they have a great time. And I spent time with them on the first game of the year this year. We had a great time. And now I'm here for the last tailgate of the season. Unfortunately, the Roadrunners did not have a great year. It's kind of a bummer of a year for the Roadrunners this year, but hopefully things next year will be better. UTSA Roadrunners football, that's what we're going to hang out with a gang of today. Sometime later, and the party is just going on and on here at the Alamo Dome with all the peeps. So this is the Alamo Dome, and there's dust in the air, but this is on the last day. This is on the last day of a losing season. Okay? They're 3-6, and they're probably going to get beaten today by this team that's here. And you know, this is the scene at the Alamo Dome in 2018 on the last home game. Which is going to start in a couple hours. You know what I mean?
Follow wherever they go. I've got to Memphis. That's how we got to Memphis. If you love somebody.
There you see it, the Alamo Dome behind me. It's time to get going. Yeah, Alamo Dome, tailgate, UTSA.